How to use the Zangi Messenger app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this very app. First of all, head into the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you need to search for the Zangi Messenger app. After you search for it, you can see if there is any update option available. Instead of open to update it, if not, then you can simply open it. Now to use it, first of all, you should register with a Zangi if you do not have an account there, but you already have an account, then you can simply log in. So just tap on the register option, tap on the accept option. Now it will load something. Now what you need to do is tap on the continue option, tap on the allow option, tap on the continue option here as well, and you should write your first name, your last name, and tap on the continue option, and you can enter your password right here as well. We'll just write 123 for now, and then just skip it for now. Actually, now you can also invite your friends to connect as well, or you can simply continue it. So this is all, and doing all this step, you should go and tap on the continue option here. Now you have already been entered to the Zangi Messenger application. You can connect with your friends from here as well by tapping on this very option and tapping on the invite friends option. If you don't want to use this account anymore, just tap on the very delete your account option as well, or you can log out whenever you want to. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.